Good morning. Hey, it's Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway docks. Let's take a look at these gorgeous plants. Got some Physocarpus tiny wine. Great looking plants, good color. And coming over here, we have some beautiful 2-gallon mop cypress. Next up here, we have some Ilex Galeba Forever Emerald. Consistency on these 3-gallon New Gen Freedoms. Beautiful 3 gallons, guys. We have some 3-gallon Ilex Galeba Strong Box. We have some new grasses coming on. Here we have some Strictus grass in 3 gallons. Really nice full plants. In the background there, we have Cheyenne Sky. And then in the front here, we have some redheads. We also have some more of Hamlins coming on, so be sure to check those ornamental grasses. These on the dock a lot. These are just gorgeous 3-gallon Perennials. Don't miss out on that special we have going on now. These are beautiful 3-gallon. Great color on those 2-gallon Blue Star Junipers. Gray owls continue to look great. Look at these big 3-gallon gray owls. But I still think you can see the value in those 3-gallon Green Mountains. We have some Happy Face Potentillas. Again, a lot of nice summer color. Grass is coming up here. We're looking at some 19-centimeter Gracilis. Then we'll spin over here, some Magilla. This is Sonic Bloom Punch, something new. Looking at Carex Evergold, Carex Ice Dance, and then backing up here, look at these gorgeous, back in the lower, all golds. Globe arborvitaes are hot, and here you can see the nice consistent pull. These are Danica. Nice 3 gallons. Look at the buds and blooms on the Echinacea Soft Orange. Beautiful. Varieties of Daylilies, you can see they're scaping up here. These are Pardon Me. And then we also have a new crop of ivy coming on here. Gorgeous 1 gallons, guys. Really nice variegated color on the Lagella Monets. Big, heavy, full 2 gallons, too. Grasses, here we're looking at the American Beauties Native Standing Ovation. And we have beautiful big Clematis paniculata for fall blooming. In the background there, we're looking at some Patriot Host. Gorgeous lavender phenomenal there. You can see the nice silver tones to it. Nice heavy full plants. More blooming perennials. We have several varieties of Coreopsis. Here we have Daybreak. And then Red Satin here. You can see the nice tips for the buds. Just starting to open. Nepeta is looking great right now. A lot of gorgeous perennials. Some Monarda. This is Pocahontas Pink. And some 5-gallon Limelights. They haven't started to set bud yet, but they're coming out looking great. You know, I show you these almost every week, and we've got a nice crop of these 2-gallon. These are Green Velvets. Good value on these guys. You can see a glimpse of the 3-gallon Alberta Spruce, and also the 3-gallon Rambus Fine Line. Nice heavy plants. Look at the size on these 3-gallon Celtic Prides. Here we're looking at some boxwood. These are 5-gallon Green Gems. Yeah, nice big full heavy landscape grade. You can see the nice consistent pull. Here we're looking at 3-gallon Green Velvets. Again, good value here. Fantastic looking boxwood. We're looking at Little Missy here. And spinning over here, the 5-gallon Winter Gems. Looking good. Exceptional value on these 3-gallon Emerald Greens. We're looking at Tutsia. Those are Yuki Cherry Blossom. Nice heavy 2 gallons flushed out. Again, we looked at the euonymus. We have some golds here at the dock today. Again, good value there. Nice full 2 gallons. Several varieties of roses. The guys are doing split trims. You can see all the buds on top there looking good. We've seen a lot of the Diravilla in the past weeks. You can see the nice variation in foliage colors. They're all set in bud there. You can see the flower on them. Nice variety, so be sure to check those out. Again, Diravilla is a very resilient plant for your landscape. Put that one on your list, Diravilla. Fresh crop of Geranium Roseanne, and then coming in here, we're looking at 3-gallon Bloomstruck. Stop and look at these. There we have the euonymus Gades. I mean, these 2-gallon plants are nice, big, heavy, full plants, exceptional value. These plants give you color throughout the season. And we got some great looking plants. So we have Gady, we have the golds, you know, this spin over here, we have Moon Shadow as well. All of them are looking really good value. Kansas Summer Jazz Fire, and these things are just amazing. They are loaded with these gorgeous orange, red, beautiful flowers. Size and value, you can see the pull on these 5-gallon green velvet. The more container trees in our quick turn, so those are stock B&B plants. Again, be sure to check the field stock because we got some great looking plants that are dug in the holding area if you're looking for something exceptionally big and nice for your landscapes. Then coming down here, we're looking at some 15-gallon emerald green arborvitaes. Nice heavy full plants, shaped well, looking good. Our native ferns, this is hay-scented fern. You can see these nice big heavy full plants, good value there. Great plant for your native displays and garden. Then over here you can see Symphocarpus Sweet Sensation. You know, those are starting to flower now and soon you'll get the berries on. Those hang on to the birds and give you great winter interest. Check out Symphocarpus Sweet Sensation. Nice shape to these 3-gallon green mountains here, good value. Show you these almost every week on the dock. We got some great pricing on our Japanese maples right now, and look at these 20-gallon Temugianas. That's landscape grade. It's another great Physocarpus. This one is Amber Jubilee from First Editions. Has great colors of the oranges and yellows in it. Beautiful summer color. A lot of trees again coming up to the dock here. You can see they're all lined up. They have some beautiful selections, so be sure to get with your sales team. We got some gorgeous container trees right now. Big 25-gallon green giants. Beautiful big landscape grade, 7-footers. Several varieties of hydrangea trees. This one happens to be vanilla strawberry. You know, we got them sheared back. They're just starting to push out some buds. Looking good. And the store is just lined up with these gorgeous container trees. We have some 15-gallon Carpinus, some Columbia maples and oaks, some Japanese maples. Again, be sure to check those container trees. Another one to think about, we have some good pricing on our B&B, our stock B&B. They're all #1 grade plants here. We're looking at some Technies, some blue spruce, some good values there. Be sure to check that list. These can be loaded right on with your containers. 15-gallon. These are Green Mountains. You know, we got some Green Mountains, Cranberry Creek. They're looking really good. And I'll just back up here. These are 15-gallon American Pillar. Now that's a value. We have a new one. This is Pinus Mugo Slow Mound. And so this is a newer one on the market. Tighter, compact, slower growing slow mound Mugo Pine. Again, more daylilies here. We have the sunny yellow color, a happy returns. We got a nice consistent pull here and the crop's looking great on the 3-gallon Mr. Bowling Ball. Look at that nice consistency. That's a quick walk through the dock. We see some great landscape size shrubs, some beautiful summer color. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope I loaded the truck for you.